Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with another video and I have a blaster of NBA Hoops 2018-19 season. Looks like this is a winter or holiday edition. So it says look for exclusive winter cards or parallels. Rookie cards, of course, there's going to be a ton of them, I'm sure. A lot of them. One autograph or a memo per box. So take the Wolfie knife out. Corey Joseph. Next, we got Reggie Miller, Zach Collins, Stephen Curry, lights, camera, action. Another rookie of Josh Okogie. Next, we got two more, Russell Westbrook and Chris Paul. Bruce Brown, rookie card. Javon Carter, rookie card. Brian Ntilikina, Anthony Davis. The Pulse, James Harden. Kevin Durant. This is one of the, I think this is one of the variations, because there's like different ones, I think, for my hobby when I unboxed it. Like I saw a bunch of like 2-3 different ones. Robert Williams III, rookie card, and Zaire Smith. Alright, let's pack. Let's see what's in here. Maybe an auto, or I mean, it feels like it's relic, so I doubt I'm gonna get an auto. Who else? Scal Eviger. Let's leave it till the end and see what it is. Alright, here we go. The Pulse of Isaiah Thomas, now with the Denver Nuggets. Amir Johnson. Mikal Bridges. Michael, whatever. Rookie card, Dennis Schroeder. Julius Randle.
What do you see when you look at me?
Thon Maker and Dwayne Bacon. Remembrance, rookie remembrance. Well, he's no longer a rookie, but it's just a remembrance card. Alright, cool. So that is it, guys. I did get a whole bunch of other stuff, like certified. Gonna be in a different video, so just a little review. I opened a lot of these. Alright guys, that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.